We love to go out on Sundays and chase trains.
Especially steam trains.
Yeah.
That's not to say we don't love cars.
Well, any kind of transportation, planes, trains, automobiles, as long as you can go for a ride in it, we're all right with it.
It's surprising how many folks have their own locomotive.
Isn't that cool? However, there's a lot more to railroading than locomotives.
I find there's nothing more relaxing than riding on a train. One of our favorite railroads is the Disneyland Railroad.
Yes, and sometimes we can get access to the forbidden back spaces where people usually aren't allowed to go. Like Walt Disney's apartment. And sometimes we find amazing model railroads.
Like Gil Bennett's.
Oh, that's a great one.
Or Steve Strubble's really fun railroad.
There's some extraordinary people building some wonderful trains. On Tuesday, we feature amazing collectibles.
And visit some over-the-top collectors.
So if someone's collecting it,
And it's totally amazing, we will find it.